everyone, today we're comparing two amazing gaming laptops, the Acer Nitro 5 and the ASUS ROG Zephyrus G14. Whether you're on a budget or want premium performance, these laptops have you covered. Let's check them out. Hey, are you still spending your money at repair shops? Join Device Doctor and learn how to fix your laptop and desktop yourself and enjoy the savings. Leading our list is the Acer Nitro V AMV15-41R2Y3. A gaming laptop that strikes the perfect balance between affordability and performance. Boasting a 15.6-inch FHD display with a silky smooth 144Hz refresh rate, it ensures an immersive and lag-free gaming experience. At its core lies the powerful AMD Ryzen 5 7535HS processor, paired with the NVIDIA RTX 4050 GPU, delivering exceptional 1080p gaming performance at 60 FPS. With 16 GB of DDR5 RAM, a lightning-fast 512GB SSD, and a reliable 59Wh battery, the Acer Nitro 5 is a standout option for gamers looking for power, efficiency, and quality in a compact package. The ASUS ROG Zephyrus G14 is a premium gaming laptop with a stunning 14-inch 3K OLED display, 120Hz refresh rate, and HDR support, making it perfect for gaming and media consumption. Powered by an AMD Ryzen 9 8946HS processor and NVIDIA RTX 4070 GPU, it delivers smooth 120 FPS gaming performance. With 32GB LPDDR5X RAM, a 1TB SSD, and a 73Wh battery, this laptop is future-proof, offering both power and portability for serious gamers.